Hey guys, welcome back to another video. First of all, Merry Christmas, and this is my first toy review ever. I'm going to be doing the Nerf Mega Motostrike, and it's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to show you everything it comes with. Mine's a little sticky though, hang on. So, first of all, it comes with the gun. Then comes with this sick Nerf Mega magazine that has 10 darts. Comes with these 10 Mega darts. Nathan, get out of here. Scram. And, Nathan's just coming by to, say, subscribe. So, yeah, and, this Nerf gun is really good. And say you get a jam.
Look at.
Move that back. Finger in there to clear out any jam that you have. Well, almost all of them. Hang on. It's in here. All right.
Is this Spider-Man again?
And this takes 4 C-type batteries. And now let's see how it shoots. Just turn you like that. Did you get that? If you didn't, I'll just raise it a bit. And I'll do that. I'll move this chair back so that you guys can see me shooting. Alright, included everything. I don't have any other Mega guns. Nice! Alright. Okay, so, for now, that is going to end off the video. Hey, Nathan.
Yep.
Cheers, Daddy.
Merry
Cheers.
Christmas, everybody.
Yes. Nathan?
Christmas.
Nathan, what do they have to do? What do these people have to do?
Like, subscribe, comment, and share.
Listen to him. And if you don't, I will personally get him to start a riot, and, yeah, you're not gonna like the riot.